Go.
Hello again folks, it's day 28 of the January Jewellery Challenge. I'm still going to do the wall shackle, but today we're going to use these tasty folding 850 rigids. So we shall go onto the, can't even get it on there, look. We'll get it fixed to the wall. And the interesting thing about this challenge is it's very different, trying to work out if you can even see the hole. It's a very different way to pick them. It's very different to picking them on your wrist. You get used to going a certain way. So I need to get on the post and lean back. There we go. Yeah, very, very different. So that's it for today. Day 28, January Jewellery Challenge. I'll get it right in a minute. See you tomorrow for day 29. Bye folks.
Henry, say goodbye.
We are shacklemen. We are not sporters. We shim. We pick handcuffs. Expect challenges.